Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the username on your Tumblr account on your mobile phone app. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the name in your Tumblr account, I just going to show. So first, if I open your account and click on the Tumblr option and just click on the setting option on the top, and you can find option called change name here below the username. You just click on the change name. Now you just need to type the name you just needed. So here I just go with my name with a different numbers. So just going to type my name, and I just going to add some more letters so it will be better. So Tilak King, like that, King 2. So you can see actually this is available, and also it shows some of uh, the name that you can give. You can just add if you just need it, and click on the save option, and now your account has been changed. You can see on the top it changed it to Tilak King 2. This is how you just change the username on your Tumblr account on your mobile phone by using the application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.